Okay everyone, in this video we are going to see a demo of SPIDERSZ. This is a microcontroller based single zone wired security system. This can be used for bungalows, offices, banks, shops and apartments. This includes one delayed or quick zone as door, shutter and multifunction detector or motion sensor or panic switch or smoke detector or beam detector. This unit can be activated or deactivated by free phone call and auto timer. We can save 10 numbers in this system. If any door or window remains open by mistake, the system will not go to alarm mode. 3 detection logic for motion detector reduces false alarm by almost 90%. SPIDERSZ is CE and RoHS certified product. It provides battery backup of 24 hours. SPIDERSZ can be installed and reset through an Android application which is available in Google Play Store. This is the main control unit SPIDERSZ. The keys which is given for turning on and off the unit. The unit comes with 3 indications LEDs for network, mode and unit busy. Right now, the system is in disarm mode. The mode LED remains turned on in disarm mode. Now, let's arm the system with a free voice call. The system goes into arm mode. Check the mode LED, it is turned off. SPIDERSZ sends arming SMS 1 by 1 to pre-saved numbers. Here is the SMS. The date and time at which the system is armed is also shown in the message. The door sensor is fitted to the door. Now let's open the door. As soon as the door opens, siren starts sounding. Simultaneously the system sends SMS and makes phone call to pre-saved numbers. Here you can see the message opening in the zone with the date and time at which door was opened.
SPIDERSZ.
Likewise, we can install a shutter and multifunction detector or motion sensor or panic switch or smoke detector or beam detector with SPIDERSZ. For more information please visit our website. Link is given below in description. Thank you.